What's up, everybody? Today I want to show you guys a really cool project we're going to get started on today. This is Terrelle Pryor, the NFL player's G Wagon, and we are going to be changing it from the gray color that it is now to a satin black finish with a vinyl wrap. So what that's going to involve is a whole bunch of disassembly, then we're going to wrap the car, and then we're going to put it all back together. To do it right, you really have to disassemble pretty much everything. I can wrap some stuff with pieces in place, but it's not fun to do, and a lot of times it fails prematurely because you can't get things to lay perfectly underneath other trim pieces and stuff. So on this particular car, basically everything that you see has to come off. Might be able to get away with leaving the fender flares on, but we'll probably try to get those off as well. Door handles, trim pieces, the top roof trim, pretty much all of that's going to come off the car. So it's going to be exciting.
Make it clap.
Hey everybody, it is day 2 of wrapping with the G Wagon. Jimmy's just putting the wheel back on so we can reposition the car to wrap the other side of it. As you can see here, we got the big piece wrapped, and what's cool about that is this is all one piece of metal from the rear hatch, the whole way around this corner, the B-pillars in between the doors, and the whole way up to this front fender piece. So you get one like massive piece of vinyl to do that. And then everything that's sort of inside where those doors are ends up being scrapped, thrown in the garbage because you really can't reuse it. We need to wrap into the door jambs enough that you don't see any gray with the doors shut. So in order to do that, you need to leave a little bit too much material that won't allow you to wrap the door at the same time as the rest of the car. So a lot of waste. Right behind John, there's a table full of parts. This is why vinyl wraps cost what they do. There's a ton of work, a ton of waste, but it's the way it is if you want it done right. So.
Make it clap.
What's up, everybody? We are finally finished with Terrelle Pryor's G Wagon. We wrapped every painted surface with the help of a lot of the guys from the shop and quite a few late nights. We got it done. It's a very difficult vehicle to wrap, but it came out great. We're hoping to bring you guys a lot more vinyl wrap content. We have another one starting on Monday, so be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any.